awake at this time of the day?
What do you mean?
You
What
said-
am I supposed to mean? You guys had to attend to a matter, so I didn't even get to continue asking babe what he means by I am awake. Babe, what you mean? I want to know what you mean though.
I'm joking with you.
You're too funny.
That's it.
He's a hot mess. You guys, that's how we start a brand new work week, work day. Getting Sarah Sandwich ready to head out to drop her off and to drop Tyler off to school. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day it is. Look at my daughter. Look at her. She's always into something. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Just look at her. Look at her go. Look at her. Say good morning to Faves. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're putting on glasses? You're cute.
Oh no.
You are too cute. Huh? You're putting on glasses? You like it? Can I have it, please? Give it to Mama. Thank you. Merci. You ready to go to school? You're going to school? Alright, tell Faith. See you guys later. Later. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Hopefully you guys have a good start to your week. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. And let's go take on these streets. Ready for work? Lobster face. With his red face. Lobster face. And this one is on the floor, sad. Where is he? You guys can see him in the corner, wiping tears. He thought Sarah ripped something that he wanted, so he was upset and crying. Can you say good morning to the face? Walk, walk.
Bisous. Tout à l'heure, d'accord? Tu vas à l'école? Tu vas être un grand garçon un jour? Ah ben, acte comme un grand garçon, d'accord? Regarde, tout le monde dira tu vas tomber par terre. Alors montre que tu as de l'énergie, d'accord? Ah ben montre-le que tu as de l'énergie. Évite de te... Sarah? Non. Ou important, ça c'est pas important. D'accord? Pour toi oui, mais ça c'est rien.
Yeah, but it's not some. If it important is not something you cry for. You cry when somebody dead.
C'est quoi que tu fais là? Ah,
She put her tongue on it. They left donut tongue and Sarah licking it. Sarah's into everything this morning. I can't laugh. Have a good day. Be safe on the street. I love you. You have everything. You have your phone, your charger, you have a snack in your bag. You don't want a snack?
Apple.
You want an apple?
Au revoir Sarah.
Sarah, give this to Papa.
Give me a towel, no paper towel.
I'll give you a red one.
Au revoir Sarah.
Anyway, guys,
Hello.
we're out. And after school we go. Sarah, go back in the corner, please. Ready for school? Come on, let's go. Ready, ready. Let's go. Come on. Running free in the beautiful city of Nice. That's the life. I want to live your life, Sarah. Tram passing, heading to school. I can't keep up with her. Oh my gosh. She runs so fast, this little girl. Go, princess. Go, 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 go. I cannot keep up with her. What she in slippers this morning? You guys see her in slippers this morning? With her cute self. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sorry, you look like a little butterfly in yellow. Come on. Candies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, it's more than that. You have to count in the line. Okay, let Mama help you to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What come after 9? 10.
10, 11, 12, 13.
How many candies?
Yes,
13.
13 candies.
13 candies. Good job. Bravo.
You guys are.
Here are you guys, and she finished. What do you have to tell them?
Looking at candy.
You're looking at candies? Okay, good job. You're so cute. You guys, oh my gosh. I've been back home for a while, working like Portia Simpson Miller. Only a Jamaican will understand what I just say. Pick up Tyler from school. Sarah is here counting. I love here when she said the number 4 and 5. Out of all the numbers that she said, which of her numbers are your favorite? When she said 4, 5. She does say 4 and 5, say 4 and 5. She's too cute. Anyway, and I'm here back to work because I had such a hectic weekend, so all my work piles up on me, but hey, gotta do what we gotta do. But I'm here. You guys will see Tyler in a bit. He's in his room. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a productive day. I'm having a productive, draining one, but I won't complain. I have life. So you guys, this morning I ignored my alarm and I did not work out. However, I'm gonna get my workout in now. And guess who inspired me to ensure that I get my workout in done right now? Guess. You have no idea who inspired me. Let's go show you. Let's go find out. You know I'm excited whenever he's home and working out, don't it? Let's show you something. Look here. Hey, my friend home and running. Cuckoo. And he have a little cheerleader. Hi, cheerleader. Say Ale, Papa, Ale. He's been cheering on Papa. Say Ale, Papa. Good job. Alright, you guys, so while baby's running, I will be biking. So let's go, honey. I wasn't going to let the Sunday Monday rice and peas pass me because I've been longing for that. And I made some broccoli to go with today's dinner. And yeah, no cooking much today apart from the steaming the broccoli. And that's dinner on this beautiful Monday. Well, that unplanned workout wasn't so bad. Thanks to babe for coming home and working out so I can follow suit. Babe, unplanned workout so it wasn't so bad.
Yeah, satisfied. I feel satisfied.
This is the one just finished his homework and head into bed.
Hey, Tyler,
Pack up your things and head to bed.
range tout ça.
And I am just going to eat at some minutes to 9. I could never work out in the evening. Evening workout is not for me. You guys recognize this? Tell me if you guys recognize this. This is the flowers babe got me for
Mother's Day?
Valentine's Day.
Yes.
And it's still here, dry, but I like how it look. So I decided that I'm not getting rid of it, and it's going to sit here for as long as I am ready to throw it out. It's gonna sit right here. Anyway guys, I'm gonna eat some dinner and go relax. Come, go to bed. Tell Faze night night.
Night and night.
With your no teeth.
Mama, that flower is, I think it was last year since last
No. Yep.
Look, the red gone.
Oh.
I'm more yellow now.
Yeah, your shirt, your face not looking too bad.
I just wipe up so the red gone away and it's yellow that took the space. Can you imagine if I've done that with a green jersey and become green? Just trying to imagine.
What's anything?
We look like Shrek or Hulk. Which one you prefer?
Neither. Shrek or Hulk? Which one I prefer? That's a
Which
good
one
question.
is the prettier?
Shrek or Hulk? Ooh, I'll go Shrek.
Shrek?
Yeah,
For sure.
Hulk's scary.
Okay.
Hulk. I don't want to on that thick. Maybe take Shrek and him big belly.
Yeah, Shrek. He look natural and lovable.
Shrek look like a little teddy bear. We take Shrek any day with your long ears. But Hulk, Hulk gonna crush me out.
You be my Fiona?
I'll be a Fiona all day. Worst, guess what? Fiona have red hair. So you'll definitely love that.
I was about to say, and worse, Fiona just burp around the So that's what I was, when you say guess what, that's what I was in my head.
That too, Fiona burp like myself. So you like that. You like that. I wasn't thinking about that. You're too funny. You're too funny. You're hilarious.
Anyway guys, that's the end of the day. It's almost 11 and a half.
And I thought I would be in bed by 10:30. Because you remember you guys had told you a few months back that he was gonna try and get up at 5:30 and work out with me. 2 morning I think it happened.
Well, it's like you can't walk out on the evening. I can't walk out in the morning.
Baby's not a morning person. Leave him in bed, then you and him will be friends. Me, wake me up to work out, me and you be friends. But not wake me up for no other reason.
Anyway, it's the end of the day.
Why you cutting off half of our bodies?
why I'm trying to find the right. Yeah, better.
Your face really a lot better, honey.
Yeah, because I tell you, I just clean it. I'm to show you which marvelous product it I used.
No thanks. I take Sunwell, so I really don't care.
Alright.
You listen, learn. You use sunscreen.
Alright, so give this video
Thumbs up. Comment
on.
down below, subscribe if you're new, get up and keep up with the fan bam. We'll see you guys tomorrow.